Hi everyone, so what you need to do is go into Google Chrome and download screencast-O-matic. From there, you need to you can sign up for a free account, and once you've done that, you can then click on record for free, and there you launch the free recorder. Once you have loaded that up, you load the videos directly from the website. You can also download the full app, and you don't have to be online to do that, which is just here, right at the bottom. Then in Google Slides, which is what I'm preparing my lessons, you need to also make sure that you have your own YouTube account. And you sign up, and you can create videos, which is linked to using screencast-O-matic. So for example, if I want to add a video here, I go back into my YouTube account once I've recorded a video. These are some videos I've done previously. Get the shareable link. Go back into your Google Slides, insert video, paste your link, and then you need to click on the link, select, and then your video will appear in your Google Slides. So if you're presenting a lesson to your kids, you can have all your instructions still typed, but then you can also insert a video of yourself. You can also record yourself using websites and then explaining to the kids what you would like to do on that website, which is really handy for the younger kids who are still trying to navigate themselves around the computer. So hopefully that gives you a bit of an idea of how you could make your Seesaw tasks more interactive by using Google Slides and then using screencast-O-matic as well. If you have any questions, just email me, or you can give me a call and I can help you through each step. I hope that's helpful for you. I hope you guys are all surviving during lockdown, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.